Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of monitoring the brand. This will specifically go through brand monitoring systems that can assist with looking for information surrounding your brand, surrounding the industry that your brand is located within, competitors, different economic factors, and of course any chatter going on around the web about your brand or the industry. So the two specific monitoring systems that I chose were Google Alerts and Feedly. These are two big ones in the brand monitoring industry. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through how they work when it comes to alerts for specific items and keywords when it comes to monitoring the brand. So here you see I already have, here's me right here with my personal brand. This is me on the web, and then I added an alert for ilovekickboxing.com, which is my case study company. So if you click on it, it'll tell you there are no results for this query, but you can always go back and look at a broader search. So for instance, kickboxing industry news. So if you go to like kickboxing fitness, you'll get things like news for kickboxing fitness, health and fitness. So this will kind of give you news, competitors, what's going on in the industry, and you could create alerts based on this information. So you could create an alert that says kickboxing fitness, and then it will appear there in your alerts. And it will, if any alerts come up in these categories, it will specifically notify you here that these alerts are popping up in these categories. So Google Alerts is one that you can use for monitoring. The other, again, is Feedly. So I'll take you over here to my Feedly. Here we have, and let me see if I can move this. So here we have on the side, my feeds, both for my personal brand, which is the politics here. And then of course you have your boards, which is I Love Kickboxing. So if you click on that, you could save articles to this board. Here I have specific information about competitors. So we have a kickboxing blog. We have Glory Kickboxing, which is another competitor. Of course, ilovekickboxing.com. That is my brand. So these are just different things that you can add to your Feedly on the actual website to create the feed, or through the monitoring software. You could create a new feed here for pretty much whatever it is you want to populate in the feed. So this is kind of what I've chosen for brand monitoring. Two things that I got from this is you can monitor chatter for any potential crisis or positive or negative communication surrounding your brand, and also monitor what's going on in the news, any potential impacts to the brand that might lead to a future crisis. This is a good way to monitor the chatter outside of your brand in your industry, to figure out, if you need to make any adjustments when it comes to either marketing or crisis management, etc. So that's kind of everything in a nutshell as far as the monitoring systems. Like I said, Google Alerts and Feedly are two pretty good ones, and should work for brand monitoring. Thank you for joining me, and you can hit me up either on Facebook or my YouTube channel if you have any questions.